Hi everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Suman Tech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is Python dictionaries. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is Python dictionaries. So the Python dictionaries are used to store the data values into the key values. So we can use the Python dictionaries to the many ways as like we can find the duplicacy. In the duplicacy dictionaries, the duplicacy is not allowed. Suppose I have taken the data value that is A and the value of this data value is that is AB. Suppose I am taking the second value that is A1 and this is AB. So this can be duplicated but the data will not be accepted that is duplicated. So this should be the different one. So the second one is that is type. That is type dictionary. So type dictionary refers as if I am taking that is value 1, AB or 1.2. So the types are different that are known as dict. That is dictionaries. So the next one is that is we can also find the length of the dictionary. Suppose the length of this dictionary is that is 2. AB and AB. So the length is 2. So we can also find the data type, that is data type of dictionaries. So the data type is that is int, this is string that is str and this is float. So in these types we can use the Python dictionaries in the Python programming language. So now we are going to discuss on the topic that is Python dictionaries. So first of all we have taken a variable that is myDict, that is my dictionary, and then curly braces start and the first variable is name and then colon, and after that the value is that is Rupali. So after that I have taken the second variable whose name is city. So the value of the variable name city is Ludhiana and then comma. So I am putting here the third variable that is country. So the variable value is declaring that is India. So I have taken 3 values and now curly braces over. So now I'll use the print function. So I'll write here print that is myDict variable. So all the values will be printed here of the dictionaries. So as we do the enter, so you can see the variable values are been printed over the print function. So all the values are been printed here. So if I want to add a single variable, it can also be done as myDict and then I want to print the name variable values. So you can see that here is a mistake over here that I have not put it the inverted commas twice. So I'll use here print function and will correct the syntax, that is myDict, and then in double quotes I have written the name. So after that bracket close. So you can see the value of myDict name is being printed here. So this is how we can use the dictionaries in the Python programming language. So now the next example is the duplicacy. Suppose I have taken a variable name that is myDict, that is my variable name, and after that curly braces start, and now in the next line I am giving some values to the variables. Suppose my first variable is name and the value of that variable is that is Rupali. So I'm putting the second variable, that is name2. So the value of name2 is, again I am printing, that is Sharma. The third one I am taking as name3, and the value is, that is Rupali. So now curly braces close. So now I'll use the print function to see that if it performs the duplicacy or not. So I have taken the value duplicacy for now. So we can see here the value duplicacy can be printed, but the variables duplicacy not be printed here. It is not allowed in the dictionaries of the Python programming language. Like I have taken Rupali twice, but that is a value, so it has been printed that name, and name3, that is value name Rupali. But if I take the variables same, so it will not be printed, because the variables could not be same into the dictionaries of Python. Which are these cannot be same. So then another example is, suppose we want to check the length, so we'll use this syntax only. So we'll print, that is print length, that is len, and after that the variable name, that is myDict. So after clicking that, so we can see the value name is the length is 3, that is 1, 2 and 3. Name 2 and name 3, these are 3 values. So length of the dictionary can be finded like this. So the another example is, I am taking the variable name, that is myDict, and then curly braces start, and now I'll put the variable name, that is name, and after that the value of name is Rupali. Now comma, and then second one I am taking as the place name is, that is Ludhiana, and the third one is I am taking, that is so I'll take here year. So here I am writing 2021. So we'll see the type. So print, that is we need to ask the type of the variable name, that is myDict. So the type is, that is class dict, that is class dictionary. So this is how we can use the type variable, type dictionaries in the Python programming language. So these are some examples which are used in the Python dictionaries in the Python programming language. So thanks for watching our session. Now we'll meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.